Okay guys, so in today's video, we're going to be installing a back glass in a late 80s model S10. I don't know the exact year at the moment, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we got the back glass installed. It went relatively smoothly. Pretty much the key thing to remember is that plenty of soapy water. That's something good to remember. And what we had to take out for this is we had to take out the headliner. We didn't put it back because ours was really messed up, but we had to take out all these interior pieces. Anything to reveal the seal, because you're going to need to get that seal to make sure that it's seated properly all the way around. So yeah guys, the last thing that we got to do is clean the camper back and put it back on, and then we will be ready to go. Let's get in there.